I want to talk about glutathione products in the marketplace, specifically cosmetics and other supplements. So, one of our receptionists brought this up to me that there's a cosmetic company called Medicube, and they're a big Korean cosmetic company. Super cool, lots of very interesting products for all kinds of cosmetic needs. And they're very popular, very affordable, and so they're a great option for a lot of people for specific cosmetic needs. Now, our employee brought up their one product called the VARS Glutathione Glow Serum. And this one was kind of an interesting thing for me. So I decided to do a little deep dive into it to see what it's all about and why it has so many great reviews. Interesting enough, on the Amazon listing for this product, in one of the images, it talks about how it has 50,000 parts per million of glutathione. But then in another image right after it, it says it has 500 parts per million of glutathione. And so throughout the listing, it's kind of ambiguous of, well, how much glutathione is actually in this glutathione serum. And so I ran some numbers just to do some basic math on it, and try to figure out potentially how much glutathione this product could have. So it's a 50 milliliter bottle. And so if it has 50,000 parts per million of glutathione, in that one bottle, it would have 2.5 grams of glutathione. And now if you had that much glutathione in any product and it's that small, it's going to be stinky and going to be very sticky and smelly. And they claim this product to be a no scent topical serum. And so basing off of the other image of the listing, for 500 parts per million of glutathione, that would give 25 milligrams of glutathione. And now still that doesn't say, is that per dose or is that per bottle? So per 50 milliliters, it has 25 milligrams of glutathione. That is a minuscule amount of glutathione for an effective dose. Just to compare, and I know supplements and cosmetics don't compare directly, but just to compare, our glutathione capsules have a dose of 275 milligrams per 2 capsules. And in our glutathione liquid liposomal glutathione product, it has 222 milligrams per dose. And so that's per dose. And our liquid glutathione is also 50 milliliter bottle when it comes back later this fall, but 222 milligrams per dose times 30 doses gives you about 6,600 milligrams of glutathione, or 6 grams of glutathione. So I bring all this up just to help everyone be wary of products online, that even though they claim their product to be a certain kind of cosmetic or supplement, such as this VARS Glutathione Glow Serum, it doesn't have a lot of glutathione in it. And hopefully it is having great benefits for people, but it's also packed full of many other ingredients that will have similar benefits as to skin healing and skin elasticity and even skin brightening. So the buzzword of glutathione is great, but you're better off using a product that actually has glutathione in it. And furthermore, just like with our glutathione patents, it has to be the functional form of glutathione, such as reduced glutathione, not oxidized glutathione, which is found in most products. Probably 99% of cosmetics and supplements have oxidized glutathione, just because glutathione is super sensitive. In the manufacturing process, it oxidizes. If it is not kept under extreme precise care throughout all of manufacturing, then when it gets to the final customer, it is oxidized glutathione. That's the difference with VARS Glutathione. It is truly reduced glutathione all the way until when your body uses it, it is a reduced glutathione. So just make sure, double check your glutathiones when you're out there.